Hey everybody, it's RV Lenny. Today we have a really special unit I want to share with you guys. Obviously it's for sale. It's a 2006 American coach. It's an American Eagle with a 525 Caterpillar diesel. It is a pre-def bus. I want to say it's a one of one, man. It's one of a kind. It's a rare find. An exotic car collector owned it. Stored indoors. Has an outside television, freshly installed. The paint is gorgeous. There's no checking on it. There's no clear coat peeling. All the chrome handles look great. Got a pass-through under storage drawer here. It's got another pass-through under storage. Not pass-through, halfway. That's part of the Blue Ox system that comes with the coach. As you can see right here, it has a Girard armless power awning, and all the windows are the same. Power awning over the windows. Got a great curb appeal, great stance. American Eagle across the back. 525 Cat, 22,000 miles. There's the Blue Ox system that comes with it. Side radiator. It's a Onan 10,000 diesel generator, and it only has 800 hours. 3 ACs on the roof. Aqua Hot system. 50 amp power cord reel. Freshwater cord reel. Rear and side cameras. It's got a new monitor that's in color. Most of these Eagles, I don't know if you're familiar with them, but they had a big glass block on there. And if you removed it, it had like little rivets. And this one doesn't have any of that. Just fresh. No diamond shield peeling. No rock chips. Windshield's nice and clean. You can look down the side. I mean, it's gorgeous. Now the inside is really, really up to date. Beautiful. So I'll kind of walk through it first and then explain all the extras. Washer and dryer combo. Stainless steel refrigerator. That works on propane and electric. Porcelain stool. Got the privacy door right here. Custom upgraded shower. Black frame. Coach didn't come like this, guys and gals. This is custom. King bed, ceiling fan, new HD TV. Look at all this room back here. Got a little stool to do makeup or sit at a laptop. Plenty of storage back here. More storage right there. It has a safe, cedar lined closet. If somebody wanted, they could take this little partition wall out. And there's a safe right there. This is just storage. All these cabinets are solid wood. Brand new linens, sheets. Some of the original bedding. So let me just start and tell y'all right now. Okay, so we got a custom shower. That was an update. New televisions. That was an update. New wood floors and new carpet. That was an update. All this was done by the previous owner. Now, look at these. These have been redone professionally and custom. If you see this color right here, it matches the brand new furniture that they put in. All 4 pieces. And here's the tag. It kind of just fell off. But yeah, it's flex steel. This makes a bed. It's an air mattress. So all this is brand new. You can see by the buttons. Brand new. Okay, now these are brand new as well. These here eliminated the curtains. These up here aren't, these are power up here. But these are manual, and that's manual right there. And then you have some right here too. So the whole front is privacy, brand new. These day-night shades, brand new. Perfect, not a string out of place, no stains, nothing. So this is one of them buses that you really can't do price comparisons because, I mean, it just has so many upgrades, updates to it that make it one of a kind. And the cabinetry, the flooring, all the counters, like the counters are spotless. Not a crack, nothing. So give Lenny a call, 832-492-1075. Check out topchoicerv.com or look us up on Facebook or Instagram, Top Choice RV. Thank you very much.